Chapter 1.1, we're taking a look at rectangular coordinates. Our goals are to plot points in the Cartesian plane, use a distance formula to find the distance between 2 points, use a midpoint formula to find the midpoint of a line segment, and use a coordinate plane to model and solve real-life problems. So hopefully this is mostly review for you. Just as a quick review of the Cartesian plane, so two real number lines intersecting at right angles form the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. The horizontal real number line is called the x-axis. The vertical real number line is called the y-axis. And the point of intersection of these two axes right in here is called the origin. The two axes divide the plane into 4 quadrants. So just as a review, because you will need this for the homework, is you need to know the quadrants. So this is quadrant 1. Remember, this is a positive x, positive y. This is quadrant 2 with a negative x and a positive y. Quadrant 3 is a negative x, negative y. And quadrant 4 is a positive x and negative y. So let's go ahead and do a quick example. You should know how to do this, so I'll go over it fairly quickly. We need to plot the points in the Cartesian plane, and so you plot the points -1, 2, and so forth. And so remember, this is the x, this is a y. So -1, you go left 1 and up 2. So that is -1, 2. Then you plot 3, 4, right 3, up 4, label it, and so forth. Okay, so you should be able to finish this on your own for homework. The other thing you should be able to do on your own as well is sketching a scatter plot. So it gives you this information, the years, the number of subscribers, and so you make a scatter plot. You need to, the hardest part I think is just to be able to label it, label the graph, or scale it really. So you do this little like a little break in the graph just to show you're breaking it. You could say this first one is 2005, and then you go forth and label the rest on the x-axis, right? So that's our year, and that's in T. Then our subscribers N will be here, and so maybe we want to start at 200 and then go to 250 and just go by 50 increments. Okay, so then you plot the points. 2005 is 207.9, and so you approximate where that is and plot the point. So this is your x on this side, and this is your y. When you're done with it, you should have something similar to that. Of course, you'll have the other pieces of the grid, but it looks similar to this, so you should be able to do that on your homework as well.